What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful EQS that we have right here, AMG line. Guys, check out how gorgeous this car looks, man. The badging at the side, this beautiful silver color that you guys are able to see in front of your eyes. 580 4MATIC all-wheel drive. Now let us take a walk around to show you the gorgeous appearance of this car before we jump right in to the interior. Now, lights. These are your main headlights. Of course, they are using the digital lights, is what they call it. Mercedes-Benz wording at the side right here. You have your DRLs located right at the top. It goes all the way across to the other side. Now, you do get your lighting also on inside there, which we'll turn on shortly to show it to you guys. But nevertheless, just check out how gorgeous the lights look. I like how it connects to the front grille in a way, with the lines popping up right down, going all the way up, with all of these started grills that we have right here. Stars right at the front grille is what I mean. The Mercedes-Benz logo is glass. You also have the sensors located right at the back of this, which looks very nice. You have your 360 camera located right here. Number plate goes right there. You got your chrome lining, goes right at the back. Come out to the number plate, goes right down. And then you do get tons of black finishes happening all over the place, and some aggressive looking front openings that you have right there for air to flow through on the side. Silver lining right all over the place. At the bottom here also is in the silver finish, where air flows through at the bottom, because this is an electric car, so your cooling all happens right down there. Now you do have your Mercedes-Benz badging in black and silver. Your front hood is sporty as you can get. You do get these lines, this hood bulging, kind of like a design like of a hood to make it look aggressive as it can be. Lines right here at the side, very nice. Lines right here at the side, also fantastic. Now the light really helps a lot in showing you the angles and shapes of the car. Now let's jump right to the wheel, and what you'll notice is that you do get this beautiful multi-spoke wheel with this silver finish on the exterior, with some black dark finishes in the inner part, like a blade. I like how it like shapes and shifts the design outwards, where air flows through on this side and this side and this side. It's like bringing air in to cool down the disc. Very cool. Solid disc brakes right there. Mercedes-Benz badging in black. You do get the AMG engraved wording right on the wheel. Amazing tires as well, and you do get the tire size in, where would it be? Let me search for the tire size, somewhere down here. 275 40 R22. So beautiful 22-inch wheels for this particular piece of art. Now let's jump right to the side mirrors of the car. First of all, you get your windshield washer located right here, EQS wording right there, chrome lining across the whole door side right here, and you do get your side mirrors following the body color. Turn indicators in this bright finish and this matte finish that also holds the side mirror. 360 camera located right down there, beautiful looking. Now you do get your side steps, as you can see right here, very aggressive at the same time, very sporty. You do also have your Mercedes-Benz wording right there, lighting for the doors. Let's pull that, let's open that up. Let's not have to open it up full, but in a way can get here perhaps. So you do have a beautiful finish for the door, where you got this grey star finishing right here. Burmester speakers right there. Love the brown stitching, or shall I say this sort of like bronze stitching. Very nice bronze finish over here also as well, very nice. Love the door handles that you get right here. You got unlock and lock right here, seat adjustments right there. Your memory seats, you got heated and cooling seats. Burmester speakers right there again. Love the wooden texture. If you guys are here, you're able to feel it. Love all the stars that they have right at the door side. Window adjustments up and down. Compartment storage down there, so it does look very, very cool, man. Love how the door looks. Love the two-tone finish. Leather, grey, nice texture. So you do have the Mercedes-Benz welcome light that's happening right down here. Beautiful touch. I love how it's blinking and changing. Can you see that? It's not permanent, it's like having some movement down there, so very cool. You got your Mercedes-Benz plates right here that light up, very nice. Do love the seats in this XX shape, all this finishing that makes it look super luxurious. Now let's jump right in and take a look at what we have on the main screen. Now skip. Okay, cool. So you do get a screen right here for the passenger as well, so that's very nice. I love the texture like finish, very nice. And you do have your air vents right here, like a jet engine kind of like a design, very cool. Love the gray top piece right here with some, again, this bronze stitching all across the whole air vent. Your air vents right here, air vents right there, speakers right there, very nice finish. Now leather finish right here, press that, glove compartment opens up, compartment storage right there, very cool perfume setup right there on the inside. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Your seat belts are also in black, very nice. Amazing legroom, of course. I've not adjusted the front seats just yet, but I believe it's already good enough. You do have the amazing screen. Of course, they have this hyper screen, or is what they call it, I believe. Love the wooden texture with all these Mercedes-Benz stars. I love this, man. Let's push that open. 2 Type-C happening down there. 2 cup holders you can keep right here. Yeah, it's very nice indeed. So when you put pressure on it, it's like that. So very cool. So very nice indeed. Let's push that back. Okay, so wireless charging right there. You do get your key to be put right here. Also some wireless charging happening. And you do have your start stop for your engine right here, your driving modes, hazard light, volume adjustments, your touch ID to make sure you activate your own account, your mute button, your EQ to check out, I believe, your battery and whatnot, your other vehicle settings. If you press on it, brings you back to this, very cool indeed. Your parking, of course, if you press on this, it shows you your parking stuff and whatnot. But yeah, nevertheless, gorgeous car. So let's get right down and hop to the back. Of course, the car comes with a panoramic glass roof, is what you see right up there. So gorgeous indeed. We'll take a look at the top shortly, but nevertheless, these are the doors. Once again, love the finishing, all this bronze kind of stitching. Love the bronze finishing right here. Do love the door handles, the seat adjustments, heated seats, your Burmester sound system. Again, this wooden texture finish with all these Mercedes-Benz stars. Window up, window down. Compartment storage. Love the grey finish with the black, grey. Love it. So the top right here, your glass roof is located right there. Blacked out finish at the top, very luxurious feel. You do get your Mercedes-Benz plates for the rear door also as well. Now let's hop right in and take a look at how gorgeous the rear seats actually look and feel. Now Mercedes EQ, sorry. Let's skip this. So the screen is touchscreen as well, so you're able to control similar towards the front screen there. Compartment storage down here. Air vent located right there. Love the bronze finish that's happening. And you do get your tablet right here with your screen and whatnot. I believe this should be, yep, wireless charging. Very nice. And let's push this back up and take a look here first before we look at anywhere else. Air vents, digital controls for you to adjust. Let's pull this down. You got your Type-C and also your HDMI. Very nice and thoughtful for you to control and connect your phone to this screen, I believe. Nice. So you do have your seat belts in black. You do have this fabric lining at the top. Amazing finish. Handles right there. Lighting, of course, if you press on it, it should be popping up. Yep, and turning on. So again, this is like some sort of hook. You get your another coat hook over here. Airbags located all over the place. This one, if you pull onto this, you're bringing it fully down back again. So let's hop right into the center and take a look. This is me sitting comfortably right at the center. You do get some other, I believe this should be something, but nevertheless, yeah, very comfortable and nice. So this is the center view of what the rear person is actually looking at. Very nice. And let's get right down and open this door back up. Of course, the seats, you can actually recline in a way. That's already the maximum, I believe that's the maximum, so very cool. You also can push the seat, if I'm not mistaken, can you bring it forward, and you also can bring it backward as well. So a very nice touch. Door handles once again. So let's take a look at the rear wheels. You do get the two-tone finish of a wheel, like a blade finish. I love the silver lining on the outside. You do get the Mercedes-Benz cap in black and silver. You also get the solid disc brakes for the back, AMG wording on the wheels, beautiful. Now, once again, tire size, where are you? You are located somewhere. Where are you? There we go. 275/40 R22. So beautiful wheel design. Love the wheel arch in this black finish. Very nice touch. Even the bottom piece right there, similar to the front, looks absolutely gorgeous, man. Now, this should be, I believe, your AC and your DC charging. Yep, so those are your indicators that show you if the car is fully charged or not. Close that and take a look at the rear. You do have this amazing rear tail light design. We will turn on the light shortly to show it to you, but nevertheless, EQS580 badging right here. That is for you to press to open up the boot, but of course, Mercedes-Benz logo, very nice. Formatic wording right there. You get your brake lights located right here, and also the whole roof is in black, so that's what's beautiful about this. You do get amazing chrome finishes at the rear diffuser with some black, gloss black finishing for the bottom piece. So I love how the silver blends it with the black, and then there's chrome, and then you get this sort of like spotty looking rear diffuser. Number plate goes right there. Sensors located all over the place, so very nice. Let's push this and take a look at the boot space for this car. Absolutely huge. Now I believe you do get third row seats for this car, and it's good enough for you to be sitting in. And we will fold that up shortly maybe to show it to you guys, but nevertheless, what's hiding underneath here, another storage space for you to keep your bar that goes across from left to right. Seat belts for the rear seats and charging, very nice indeed. These should be a button for you to fold those seats down. Love how that is done. Very nice indeed. So plenty of storage space for you to store plenty of stuff. Check this out. Amazing. Amazing, man. So let's firstly move the seats forward as you can possibly go, and try and bring up those seats that they have right there. Very nice. So I believe for me to be sitting in one, it's a bit difficult, but nevertheless, for kids and whatnot, it does look good. Check that out, man, dude. Amazing how the seats are just forward like that. So very, very nice thought. So let's push this forward. As forward as it can go. And check that out. Amazing finish, where the seats actually move forward in a way that's comfortable for me to actually step right here and get right in. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear before I fold down those seats, but nevertheless, take a look. I believe this should be shutting off the fan for air to not flow through. Very cool. Love the hooks that they have right here. Love the armrest for me to rest my arm. Type-C charging, got two, cup holder right there. Amazing Type-C charging, there's two together with a cup holder right here. Amazing storage compartment. Now let's try and pull this back. Let me see if I can do that from here. Nice. Okay, cool. So it is up in a way to make it be as comfortable as it can be. Now, very nice. I like it. Happy with it. Very cool third row seat. Let's push this back down and see what else is possible. Yeah, very nice. Very cool. So let's get right down. Push this back. And if that was my sitting position earlier, I can still fold the seats back to make it be as comfortable as you can get. So I can still jump in to this side and be comfortable sitting right here. So fantastic. People can still sit at the back. So that's cool. So let's hop right down. and push this back down. Let me see if I can do that. Oh. Cool. So you got to fold down the headrest first before you can actually do that. Let's close this back. Very nice indeed. So we'll close the boot shortly, but nevertheless, let's hop right into the front driver door. Touch that, door opens up.
Address has been saved. Which address do you want to enter? There is no home address store.
So cancel. So let's see. Adjust the electronic steering. Very cool. Let's push it back up. Very nice. Amazing finishing that you guys get, man, dude, with the screen like this. So let's see how we can press the start button. Very cool. The display turns on in a way. So you do get your cruise control settings right here, your home button, back button, all to control the main screen that you get on this screen. Settings, speed limit, resume button, plus negative upshift downshift for your driving modes, driving speed and whatnot. Wiper adjustments, turn indicators, your gear levers on your right, reverse, including the P, love the fan. Settings to control the main screen that's happening on this side. You got your answering call, rejecting call, voiceover, favorite button, volume up, volume down. Love the round steering wheel in this Nappa leather finish. And this is me sitting comfortably right at the front seat. So you do have your black pedals right there, very nice. Very cool finish. Once again, my favorite is this. And tons of storage space at the bottom here. Wow, take a look. You have other Type-C charging right down there, so there's plenty of charging sockets to charge plenty of stuff. Amazing, huge space for that. And let's get right down and turn on the lights to show you. Handbrake located right there. And of course your pedals, as I mentioned, are in black as well. So let's hop right down to the exterior. Once again, take a look at the front. How gorgeous this car actually looks from the front. Very presentable, very muscular. Love the DRLs that are right there. Love the DRLs that are here also as well. So very fantastic looking car. Love the digital lights in blue. Looks very, very classy. Super classy. Now let's jump right to the rear and show you guys how does the back look like. Amazing tail lights. Love the waving lights. Let's close the boot and take a look at what you guys are looking at. Amazing how the light just continues. Love the waving stuff. Signal light, reverse light. It goes straight on to the other side. So gorgeous finish, man. Now let's turn on the hazard lights to show you what you guys are looking at. And also, yep, forgot to mention, you do get a screen right here for this, so very nice looking. So signal lights at the back here, right there as well. Very cool looking. Love how sleek this car looks. And let's take a look at the side mirrors. You also get them lighted up this way. Beautiful. 360 camera right underneath. And the front here, automatically that particular DRL that was on earlier goes off, and these three still remain. So beautiful looking car. The center DRLs also remain. Absolutely gorgeous looking car, guys. So let's take a walk around once more to show you guys the wheels from far. Check out how stunning this car looks. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Damn. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mercedes-Benz cars, do head down to Cycle and Carriage PJ, where they have plenty and tons of cars all over the place, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.